Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your image and preparing the canvas. This gets you working immediately. Set the canvas size to the exact pixels or DPI you need and choose a 16:9 preset if required. Once done, create a new layer and lock the background so edits stay non-destructive. Make sure to pick a default brush and set opacity to 100% for base strokes. This first setup minimizes mistakes later and lets you paint, erase, and experiment without altering the original. Now block in the major shapes and color zones using large brushes. This builds the composition fast. You should switch between normal and multiply, blend modes to establish shadows and midtones, multiply for depth, normal for flat fill. Once you have main areas, refine edges with selection tools and mask layers so changes are limited to targeted regions. Make sure to lower brush hardness for soft transitions and to sample colors often. It speeds up matching and keeps the piece cohesive. Finish by refining with small brushes, adding highlights and textures on separate layers so you can tweak them later. Once satisfied, flatten copies only for export while preserving the layered master. Export as PNG for transparency or JPG for photos, and make sure to select sRGB if the file will appear on the web. If colors look off after export, check the document color profile and monitor settings. Converting to sRGB before export usually resolves color shifts quickly. Reset and re-export if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.